Here's how to install the Pansteel's MS and MSC strapping. This simple installation process reduces installation time and installed cost. First, place the strap around the surface, tighten it by hand, and bend it up to hold in place. Tension the strap using the hand tool at the auto or manual setting. The tool detents in the auto setting when it reaches optimal tension. In the manual setting, keep tensioning until the strap stops feeding through the buckle. Then turn the tool 90 to 100 degrees over the buckle and pull down on the cutting lever. Press the cut end down towards the retaining tab. Use a flathead screwdriver to bend the retaining tab down and over the cut end. For MS and MSC strapping less than or equal to 5/8 of an inch wide, the process of installation is the same. However, after tensioning, you can easily fold the retaining tab by the hook on the bottom of the tool handle. With this buckle style, the cut end of the strap is folded under the buckle tab. This eliminates the risk of cuts and lacerations as compared to traditional buckles, which leave the strap's cut end exposed. For more information, check out our stainless steel landing page or visit our website at panduit.com.